As a social enterprise, engageSPARK exists to help organizations, governments, and businesses communicate with beneficiaries, employees, citizens, and customers, especially those in developing and emerging markets who do not have regular access to the internet. As part of our mission, we want to do our part in amplifying your communications during the time of COVID-19. Just sign up and you can create and launch a COVID-19 information campaign or data collection survey to your beneficiaries, customers, employees, or citizens anywhere in the world in just a few minutes. You can set up SMS and voice drip campaigns using an easy-to-use 3-step wizard with no training required. For example, you can schedule a series of SMS and voice calls containing tips and advice from the World Health Organization. Your intended audience can subscribe to this campaign by texting a keyword to a short code. People who opted in and subscribed to your campaign can receive personalized messages based on their profile. Now that they're onboarded, you can send them a series of messages at different times of the day or throughout the week. You can also go beyond SMS using interactive voice response or IVR. With IVR, you can reach more people who may not be able to read text messages.
This is engageSPARK calling. This is an example of a question you could ask citizens. Do you or anyone in your household currently have a fever? Press the number 1 button on your phone if yes. Press the number 2 button if no. For the information, someone from the health department will call you shortly. Please remain by your phone. Goodbye.
And you can easily analyze the success of your campaign by looking at our reports. These are just some of the ways you can use engageSPARK's platform to amplify your campaign against COVID-19. Our platform has other powerful features, including airtime top-ups that can be used to provide incentives or allow people to connect to the internet through their phones. You can learn more about these features by logging into www.engagespark.com. And don't forget to sign up and try our demos. Hopefully, with our combined efforts, we can help flatten the curve by providing information and services to people who need it most.